What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the camper here again. So I've been making lots of progress on this camper. Got most of the interior done now. So I've been building little cabinets above the seating area and the kitchen. Got my little backsplash peel and stick. Made a little bit more storage for the bed area. Been finishing everything, putting the trim on, just getting it all done. So now I'm going to be finishing the bathroom. This is what I got. This is my floor I'm going to use. I had to cut it and make it fit for in here, so I still have to seal that. But now I'm just going to be using a sheet of paneling plywood. I'm going to fill this all in here with that paneling, and then I'll put a coat of polyurethane on it and then paint it, and it should all be waterproof. Let's get this bathroom done. Alright guys, so I just got this one paneling, got it all cut and got it fit in there. It's just sitting in there for now, it's not in place. So I took the floor out. I need to build a little support for it first, because this part is higher right here. So this needs supported. I had that little block in there to support it temporarily, but it's like the perfect height, so I'm going to use that as like a template. So I'm gonna use some 2x2s just like this and build a little frame to support where the toilet's gonna sit first, and that's gonna be back there. All right, so this is what I got. It's the dimensions I said. It's actually 15 by 16 by 6. So I'm just gonna screw it together. Alright, let's see if it fits. Like a glove. Something like that. Alright, that looks pretty good. Okay, fits in there nicely. Put some all along here for the panel to stick to. Some on there, all the way along here, everywhere where it's going to touch. Stupid spider. Alright, I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Got 2 of these panels in. this is where I'm at. Got pretty much all the panels on. Got this little guy on. Got this all set up. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it's all gonna work well. All the water will be going down to that drain and should be no leaks anywhere. So all I really care about is if it works or not. Doesn't have to be super pretty. At the end of the day, it's just a camper. So yeah, moving along. All right, so I got a lot done on the bathroom. So I got all the wood paneling put on, and then I just put a coat of paint on it. This is a marine paint that I'm using. It's kind of expensive. I just brushed a real sloppy coat on for now. I'm gonna put another coat on here eventually. But this is what the bathroom is looking like. So pretty much just caulked all the seams, and then I'm gonna paint it all, put a thick coat of paint on all of it, and it should make it all waterproof. I made it so that the wood overlaps this bottom edge a little bit, and then I caulked that so no water should ever get back behind this. And then this turned out a little ugly, but I'm not really worried about it. Like I said before, this is just a camper. I'm more worried about the function of it than how pretty it is. So a lot of my caulking and stuff is kind of ugly, but I just need it to work good and just look half decent in the process. So this is what I got going on here. Just put this piece of paneling on the outside, put some spray foam in between here, and then caulk the edges. Made all this. Temporarily, I think I'm just gonna use like a shower curtain as a door, so I can cover like this up. Then all the water will drain right down into here, and then I still have to do my actual drain. That'll be next, but yeah, the toilet will sit on this little platform. All right, guys, so this is what we got. So it turned out pretty good. I like the way this paint all turned out. There's like three good coats on here all the way around. Let's see how this all turned out. All this is gonna just be waterproof now. Let me show you the paint I used real fast. I used this Rust-Oleum topside paint. 1 quart is enough to do my little bathroom. That paint's pretty expensive, but it seems to be pretty nice. So now all I gotta do is finish the drain, get my little toilet. It's gonna sit right there. I'm gonna put my little access hatch right here. I have an 8-inch circle that you just unscrew, and you'll have access to the hot water heater. And then I'm gonna drill a little hole right there, and that's where my little shower head's gonna come out. But yeah, it turned out really nice. So yeah, guys, this was pretty much the cheapest way I could think of doing the bathroom and making it all waterproof. So it seemed to turn out pretty well. We'll see how well it actually does once I get the hot water heater and try everything out. But yeah, making a lot of progress on this camper. Putting all the trim pieces on now. I still gotta paint this stuff. I'm just gonna use some regular white interior paint. But yeah, guys, hope you're enjoying these videos. I'm just putting really the finishing touches on everything now. So pretty soon I'll be all done with the interior, and then I can just buy the accessories that I need for the actual camping. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you drop a big thumbs up down below. I really appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on the future videos. So that's gonna be all. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace.